everyone. So today I'm going to unbox an amazing little box from Mischief Toys. I am so excited. For those of you who watched my New York Comic Con recap from last year, I did a couple of previews of their New York Comic Con exclusives. GHASTLY is my absolute favorite, so I'm so excited to get into this. So let's get into it. Speaking of GHASTLY, a little plush, and I love plushies. I have plushies all around me right now, and I collect so many plushies, so the fact that I have a GHASTLY now is my favorite thing, so. Oh my God, a shirt. Oh, Mischief Toys shirt with GHASTLY on it. My favorite thing ever. I will definitely be wearing this at New York Comic Con. Oh my gosh, another. Oh, I love it. I literally live off of t-shirts, so thank you. Oh. It looks like a Valentine's Day GHASTLY. So yes. Oh my God. Okay, let's get this open. Let's get this open. It's so cute. I love unique toys. Oh my God, he's like a little emo GHASTLY. Stop it. My little emo heart can't take it. Like, how precious is this? I love these. These are like my new obsession, and I'm like, I love them. Plus the packaging is so good. Like, come on, look at that. I should have known it was gonna be an emo GHASTLY. I should have known, but this is amazing. And the packaging is like so good. Look at that. Like, it's like so perfect. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, and you want to know what? I think this is limited to 214 figurines, and this one is 230. So I absolutely love that. This looks like almost like a celebration one. I'm guessing New Year's. Let's see it. I think it is New Year's. How precious is it? Okay. Oh. How cute. Okay, so I'm gonna have to basically put like an entire shelf to my Mischief Toys and my GHASTLYs. Like I said, if you wanted to check it out on my New York Comic Con recap from last year, I did a couple previews of my figurines from that. But I thought it would be fun to do a little unboxing with some of these, and these are like very unique, and I love just stuff that's not like mainstream, like big like corporate companies. I love that this is a small like family business that just is making these adorable figurines and celebrating, you know, not only New York Comic Con, but obviously like different holidays, which is my favorite. But I just wanted to do a little unboxing with you because I have been so behind on all of these cute things, and you're gonna see these little GHASTLYs behind me in my future videos. So thanks so much, everyone. And if you haven't checked out Mischief Toys, go check out Mischief Toys. They'll be at New York Comic Con this year too. So I'll definitely do another video of everything I get from them at New York Comic Con. But I just thought this would be super cute to unbox with you all, especially because why not? Why not share all the fun figurines? Y'all know I literally, when it comes to collectibles and toys and everything, especially if it's spooky and adorable, come on, count me in. But yes, so check out Mischief Toys. Go see them at New York Comic Con. Get your GHASTLY. Come show me. And until next time, take care.